Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Tesla Model 3 hubcaps, full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging park, and using a plastic pry tool to gently lift the hubcap edges. Remove hubcaps evenly around the wheel to avoid warping. Keep lug nut access clear if your hubcaps cover the nuts. Clean the wheel lip and snap on the new hubcap until you hear solid clicks. Warm up your hands and approach one hubcap at a time with a plastic pry tool to avoid metal-on-metal contact. Insert the tool at the clip gap and gently lever outward, moving around the rim until the hubcap pops free. Repeat evenly to prevent stress on clips. If clips feel stuck, use a second pry point rather than forcing a single spot. Set hubcaps aside on a soft surface to protect finishes. If this guide is helping you, please like and subscribe so I can keep making useful car videos. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that prevent spills while you change hubcaps and carry snacks to the garage. They're great for oily fingers and messy jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by aligning the replacement hubcap with the valve stem and key notches on the wheel. Press gently at opposite points to center it, then apply firm, even pressure around the rim until you hear several clicks signaling the clips engaged. Give the hubcap a light tug to confirm it is secure. Repeat for each wheel, then take a short drive and recheck tightness to ensure nothing worked loose during initial driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.